How to enable spam protection in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to enable spam protection. First, click the Box Trapper icon. Box Trapper protects your inbox from spam by requiring all email senders who aren't on your whitelist to reply to a verification email before you can receive their mail. To enable Box Trapper for an email address, click Manage. Then click the Enable button. Box Trapper has now been enabled for this address. Click Go Back. Next, you'll want to configure your Box Trapper settings. Click the Configure Settings link. You can set various options here, including auto whitelisting for addresses you send email to. Next, click Edit Confirmation Messages. From here, you can edit the standard confirmation messages already set up for you. Next, click Edit White, Black, Ignore Lists. From here, you can add addresses to your whitelist, blacklist, and ignore list. Once you have Box Trapper set up the way you want, you'll notice a huge reduction in spam. Another option for controlling spam is to use Spam Assassin. You can use Spam Assassin in conjunction with Box Trapper for maximum spam control, or you can use Box Trapper on its own or Spam Assassin on its own. Click to enable Spam Assassin. Then click Go Back. You'll now want to configure Spam Assassin, so click the Configure button. From here, you can set up your blacklist with email addresses you know are spam, and can add email addresses to your whitelist, addresses you know are not spam. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to enable spam protection in cPanel using Box Trapper and Spam Assassin.
Thank you for watching. If you need more help, please contact Flaminqo Help Center. Our agents will be more than happy to help. Flaminqo Hosting.